Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce expenses with Earnin easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, download the Earnin app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and create an account by entering your email address. Set up your profile by providing personal information, including your name and address. Link your bank account to the app for easy access to your earnings. Authorize the app to access your location for features like finding nearby ATMs. Once your account is set up, start tracking your hours worked by connecting to your employer. Earnin calculates your eligible daily earnings based on the hours you worked. Check your balance regularly to monitor how much you can cash out. When you need cash, select the amount you wish to withdraw. Review the transaction details before confirming your cash out request. Earnin will instantly transfer the funds to your bank account. Consider using the app's features like Balance Shield to avoid overdraft fees. You can also enable notifications for withdrawal reminders. Explore the app for budgeting tools and tips on reducing unnecessary expenses. Remember, using Earnin responsibly can help you manage your cash flow effectively. Review your spending habits regularly to identify areas where you can save. Make adjustments to your budget based on your cash flow insights. Stay mindful of your expenses to ensure you're always living within your means. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.